Wanna bet you already have everything you need to make this homemade enchilada sauce? With a few common spices, some broth, and a little tomato paste, this flavor-packed recipe will come together in less than 20 minutes. Hey there, fellow evolvers. I'm Lynn Brazil from Evolving Table, and today we're cooking up an easy red enchilada sauce. And a huge emphasis on the word easy. Most authentic recipes call for dried peppers and other hard-to-find ingredients, but not this one. Oh no, this one you can whip up on any old weeknight when that enchilada craving strikes. You can also either double or triple the recipe and then store some for later. The recipe we're making is for a mild enchilada sauce, about a 2 or 3 on the spicy scale. Is there actually a spicy scale, or is that just me? If you want to take that heat up just a bit, you can always add in a little additional cayenne pepper to the mix. We'll first start by whisking together our ground spices and dried herbs. So go ahead and grab a small bowl and add 1½ tablespoons of chili powder. You can mix this up and use 2 to 3 different types of chili powder if you have them available. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Whisk the ingredients until well combined. Set the spices aside until we're ready to use them. Place a medium-sized saucepan or skillet over medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Olive or avocado oil both work great. 3 tablespoons of flour. A gluten-free all-purpose blend may also be used. And the mixed seasoning ingredients. Whisk all of the ingredients together and continue stirring for 2 minutes. Pour in ½ a cup of chicken broth and add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Whisk until smooth. Pour in the remaining 1½ cups of chicken broth over the course of 5 minutes. Whisking until smooth after each addition. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer the sauce for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure to whisk it every 1 to 2 minutes to prevent burning. You should end up with about 2 cups of enchilada sauce. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, or freeze for up to 3 to 4 months. Or you can use it all up to make these easy chicken enchiladas. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.